Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. And if it's not, well, thank you so much for coming back. In today's video, I'm sharing another awesome thrift store haul. I keep finding these amazing things lately and I just can't help but to share them with you because I know you want to see these. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. I found these two beautiful candle stand. These are gorgeous, solid wood for $7.99. This was a really good score. These are heavy. They are super nice. So two of these. I found these two cute little vase, $3.99 for both of them. They are super cute for like your tier tray. These are very much farmhouse looking. They're going to be painted, of course, but they will be fantastic once they're done. I got 4 of these beautiful wooden bowls. I've used them before for previous project and I was hoping to find more. $3.99 for 4 solid wood bowls. These make awesome projects. You will have to wait and see what I'm going to do with these. I found this beautiful vase with the bottom part for $4.99. Normally I see them like in a bigger version of these. This is really much in a smaller scale and I really like the size of it. This would be beautiful done up in a bedroom on top of a dresser with some beautiful greeneries of flower into it and a nice maybe French farmhouse design of some sort in the front. So this will definitely have a complete makeover. In my last thrift store haul video, I showed you a nice goose, and I actually found a smaller version of the goose. I paid this one $3.99, and this will be paired with the other one when I do a makeover for them. But I not only found a smaller, so I would consider this to be the little baby or the kid, and the other one to be the mama. And I also found this beautiful one. So, I mean, this will be the dad, the papa, and I'm gonna make this as a family in the display. This one I paid $5.99 and this one $3.99, and I can't remember how much I paid for the other one, but it was close to this price. So it'll give me a nice 3-piece that I have on hand to do over and to put together as a set. That'll be beautiful. I got this beautiful basket. This will have a touch-up as well. I'm going to whitewash this or paint it with chalk paint and then distress it. This is a really nice size and I like the way it's done. And this will be beautiful with just maybe a candle on one end and some flowers or greeneries laying to the side of some sort. So I think this is a really nice piece to make over. I paid $5 for this piece. I got this beautiful, I think these goes in your cupboard, and it has the Lazy Susan on the back. I paid $6.99 for this, and I'm going to transform this into a beautiful tier tray. So it's nice the fact that it rolls, because if you have some things on your tier tray that you want to get access to, like your sugar or your hot cocoa or your tea or whatever, you can just turn it and have very easy access to your stuff on your tier tray. And I might put another piece up here in the middle just to make it look more like a tier tray, but I'm definitely going to keep these pieces as they are. I think this will make a very unique tier tray. I can't wait to get this one done. I got this beautiful little duck. It's ceramic. It's beautiful to put, like, maybe I'm thinking in a bathroom with maybe a beautiful soap in it and a little greenery or some face cloth, or it can be in your living room, it's simply some greeneries in it or whatever. But this is going to be a beautiful piece when it's done up. I paid this $3.99. I think I'm going to give this a complete different look, but it is nice the way it is. It kind of looks like wood. It's not wood, but it kind of looks like it. So you never know. I might just leave it as is and beautify it. I'm going to try it first and then decide. I got these beautiful 2 candle holders. They are very nice and kind of tiny looking, and these are nice fillers for your shelf. I paid $4.99 for these 2 pieces, and I'm excited because I'm integrating some silver into my Easter and spring decor, so these will definitely be put to use. I'm not going to do anything to these candle holders. They're going to stay as is. They are absolutely perfect. All they need is a good cleaning and we're good to go. And last but not least, look at these beauties. Old lamps. They are all broken. They are solid wood. They are very shiny, but I'm going to take care of this. I'm going to get rid of all this part. I'm going to get rid of all this, and I am going to turn these into nice holder, like for big candles. And I scored 2 of these. This was a beautiful find. I paid $7.99 each piece, which gives me $16 for the both piece. But if I were to buy candle holders of this size into any store, it would run me almost at over $50 for sure. So this was a steal to me. And I can't wait to get these done. This was a small thrift haul. It's not my typical thrift haul, but all the pieces that I found are phenomenal. I'm going to make real good use of all of these pieces, and I can't wait to get started. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I'm going to transform some of these items. Well, that's it for this video for now, but I'm sure I will be having more thrift store haul for you to see very soon. I like to keep going on a regular basis because I always find the most beautiful pieces. And if you like these items and you like my ideas that I shared with you, please give me the thumbs up. I want to know which one of these pieces are your favorite. And as well as if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel and you like what I'm doing, well, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, folks, you have yourself a wonderful day.